I'm here to give you an update today on VeChain, a bit of VET. Just sort the mic out quickly. A bit of VeChain, bit of VET coming through there. As you can see, guys, we've got an ascending triangle to the top side here. It's not looking really bad at all. We're at the top side of this ascending triangle. We've got a lovely, heavy level of resistance point coming through here. So hopefully we can actually get over that and find support in that zone. If we can, it's going to be looking very, very progressive there. I would say from the previous all-time high there for VET, we have actually seen, obviously, these really crucial lower highs coming through from the May crash there. But we're actually getting over that grey box zone. As you can see there, we've been challenging it multiple times there, finding heavy resistance. Back in September, we did actually cascade down yet again, but we're actually finding very nice progression to the top side here for VET. And I would say on the lower side of this ascending triangle, we do have heavy levels of support as well. So if we do actually see us bang it down to the lower side for VET, we know we've got big levels of support at this 11 cents, 12 cents sort of area there, and also the 200 EMA coming up as well. And you can see the support that we do find on this 200 EMA there. Obviously that juicy, grape juicy purple line coming through there. So yeah, really looking quite progressive. What I would say, very nice uptrend for VET right now. Going to be jumping through to a potential breakout scenario here for VET. If we break out in terms of the price, we could be looking at something along the lines of this, right? Something along the lines of this. It's going to be huge, guys. It's going to be a massive move there. And what I would say is humongous long position to be looking out for. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice, guys. Please go do your own research on anything that I say on the charts. 42.01% there. Hello, money. It's there. You can see I won't be entering until we've cleared this key horizontal zone, and that's going to be around that 14 cents, 4448 there. And then obviously first take profit of $15, 15 cents, 597 there. Next take profit point is probably going to be, obviously, guys, you know the score, staggering take profits all the way up, $16, 647 there. And then probably the next one at this volume weighted ATR band there, because we know the heavy resistance that we get from that continuously, and then probably riding it all the way up for that completion of the measurement. Once you hit your first take profit, guys, you take your stop loss, you move it to your entry, basically minimizes your losses completely. Now looking at the shorter term time frames for another sort of potential position coming through here, annoyingly, guys, what I would say is we do have a rising wedge chart pattern. Rising wedge chart patterns, guys, they tend to usually break to the downside, which isn't that great. And the reasoning for this is, guys, because ideally we want to see us break this trend line here. We want to see us break this this horizontal from that ascending triangle on the daily time frame there. But unfortunately, with what we're seeing, it is looking a bit like we could actually see a break to the downside here. And when I say a break to the downside, I mean a break to the downside out of this at this rising wedge chart pattern. This is going to be the measure move to the lower side here. If there is going to be a short position to be taken advantage from here, I mean, to be honest, it's not going to be the end of the world, right? Because, and to be honest, I really don't think we're going to be coming all the way down to this level here. But I do think we're probably going to be coming down, and we're going to hopefully find some support in this grey box zone. But there's definitely going to be take profit points to be looking out for. In terms of percentages for this short, it could be something around 15% there. But as I said, there's staggering take profits all the way down if we are going to be entering any sort of short position there. So yeah, I don't think we're going for 15% there. I'm probably going to end up going for more of like a 3 to 6% sort of gains there. Nothing too crazy coming through. But yeah, definitely a couple of things to be thinking about there for the future of VeChain. But overall, I would say very, very bullish. Very bullish on VeChain. As you can see, the confidence has really perked up recently. We were pretty flaccid for a bit, and these downtrends were really just like meh, not really doing a lot. But recently we have actually seen a nice bit of spike coming through, and I've heard the rumors about some sort of Coca-Cola, you know Coca-Cola, humongous brand. Yeah, they're thinking. I think there's some rumors in the air about them adopting VeChain or some as their coin or something along those lines. I'm not really that sure on the information behind it, but it's definitely obviously going to mean humongous promotion and all that stuff for VeChain coming through there. So yeah, definitely something to be thinking about as well for the future. Jumping down to the hourly ever so quickly. I don't want to keep you guys for too long here. We do have obviously a pretty strong trend line, I would say, coming through around this sort of area here, and then also from this high here, we would be looking at, actually this is actually invalidated this most recent lower high on the shorter term time frame, so really not too bad. But yeah, definite resistance there, and then obviously that is meaning we do have a symmetrical triangle chart pattern there, guys. In terms of measure moves break to the upside, we could be looking at something along the lines of this, and obviously that is going to signify a double, triple breakout scenario coming through there for VeChain. So yeah, a couple of things to be looking out for there for VeChain just in general. But yeah, that's going to be your VeChain update for the day.